Hi there, a very good morning, good afternoon to all of you, depending on wherever you're watching me. This is Simply Stocks, and I'm here with another video. And this time, this video corresponds to a large cap company that could do well in this summer season. So, a summer pick from my end this time around. So, let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. I'm not a member of the NSC and BSC, and that I'm not a portfolio advisor. Whatever discussions I have with respect to investments in markets is purely based on my experience into the market over the last 11, 12 years. And whatever decisions with respect to investments you take, kindly take that on note that it is laden with market risk, and do consult your financial advisor before doing that. Now, before I talk about this company, here's a small request to kindly support me on Patreon. Once you do that, it'll help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions, seek out answers in greater detail. Once you get the membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, a number of podcasts on discussions on domestic and global economies, long-term pick from my end, and there will be answer of all the queries that we'll be having. So you can check the links in the description. Now, in order to discuss about this company, let me take you to the screen of website. So we are going to talk about Varun Beverages, a stock that has come down appreciably from the top around 30-35%. It has shaved off from the top 1,56,000 crore market cap company, currently trading at a PE of 60, and this is what attracts me because the PE level has now reduced to a level where one can definitely look at the stock. So basically, Varun Beverages has been associated with Pepsi since 1990s and is a key player in beverage industry and one of the largest franchisee of Pepsi. In terms of its brand, PepsiCo franchisee brands Pepsi, Tropicana, then you have Slice, 7 Up, etc. That's their brand that they cover. And own brands are Jive, Koo, then there is Robust, etc. So VBL's presence as of first quarter of FY25, their operations spanned around 10 countries with franchisee rights and 4 countries with distribution rights. And so this is how they are probably across the board. They have a robust distribution network. As of the first quarter of this year, VBL had 36 manufacturing facility in India and 12 internationally, and it has a robust supply chain with 130 plus own depots as well. In terms of sales volume breakup, CSD contributes to around 76%, that is a soft drink. Juices is around 8%, water is around 16%, and the sales volume grew by around 28%, which includes 28 million cases from beverage company during the quarter this time around. So they are big into all of these things. They are also into recycling of the bottles that they are producing. They are doing that as well, and they have strong relations with PepsiCo. As of, you can say, first half of FY24, VBL has franchisees for various PepsiCo products across 27 states and 7 union territories in India. It is the largest market, and you can say contributed 90% of their revenues thereon in. So, a very strong brand. The only risk here is that the contract may not get renewed going forward, but it doesn't look like, because Varun Beverages is getting more contracts for chips of Pepsi and other products as well. So I think if the relationships continue, the growth should be pretty strong going forward as well. Now, let me just show you how the PE is performing. So right now the PE is around 60, as I mentioned, and the median PE over the last 5 years has been around 65, 66. It went up to a PE of 100 during July of 24, and since then it has reduced, and the price has also come down. So over the last 1 year, the price has dipped from around 650, 660 to these levels, and there has been selling, but there have been buying by large players as well. And with more money coming to the hands of people, there would be some effect of consumption into products as well of these kinds. So stocks like VBL should perform in terms of numbers. Nothing wrong with it. nearly 3,700 crores of sales in the December quarter versus 2,700 crores. A profit from 418 crores has jumped to 580 crores, and margins has remained stable at 16%, but profit has again gone up 45%. Overall net profit has also gone up from 144 crores. It has now gone up to 196. So again, the EPS has increased by around 40%. So 40% growth, 35-40% growth for a PE of 60 is very reasonable. It is not expensive. It's not cheap, but it's not expensive at the moment. And so one can definitely look at it again from a longer term point of view. In terms of the shareholding pattern, promoters did sell some stake around 2.5% in the December quarter, but FIIs and DIIs have lapped it up. 24.2% FII holding has increased to 25.2%. A DIA holding from around 5% has gone to 7%. So that 2.5% has been lapped up, as I said, by the institutions, and 7.5% is the public shareholding. That also entails that the stock is in strong hands. So reasonable valuations, large cap company, strong pedigree. One can definitely look at it again, not a recommendation, but one can definitely look at it in terms of analyzing the company from a longer term point of view. So this was a video on Varun Beverages. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.